Hello and welcome to English Buddy, where English feels simple and fun.
Hey, good to be back.
Last time we talked about practicing English outside the classroom.
Yes, and today we go deeper into one method.
That's right. Today's method is one of my favorites.
Oh, what is it?
Music, English songs.
Songs. I like this already.
Let's go.
Emma, I have a question.
Of course.
I listen to English songs sometimes, but I don't understand much.
That is very normal, Ben.
So, am I doing it wrong?
Not wrong, just missing a few steps.
What steps?
That is exactly what we talk about today. Okay, so let me share how I started.
I am ready.
When I was younger, I picked one song, a slow song.
Slow. Why slow?
Because slow songs are easier to hear. Each word is clearer.
Oh, fast songs are hard to follow.
Very hard. So slow first. Always.
Okay, slow song. Then what?
I listened, without looking at the lyrics.
No lyrics? Really?
No lyrics first. Just my ears. Just the sound.
But what if I cannot catch the words?
That is fine. You are not supposed to catch everything.
Wait, not supposed to?
Not at first. Just listen. Feel the music. Feel the rhythm.
So I don't need to understand every word.
No, you just need to listen, again and again.
And then,
Slowly, your ears start to catch more words.
like they are waking up.
Exactly. They are training, getting stronger.
So when do I look at the lyrics?
Only when there is one word you really cannot catch.
One word. Not every word.
Right. Check that one word. Then close the lyrics again.
Oh, so the lyrics are like a small helper, not a crutch.
That is a great way to say it.
And after listening, what next?
Singing along.
Singing out loud?
Yes. You hear it, then you try to say it, or sing it.
But my pronunciation might be wrong.
That is okay. You are copying what you hear. Like a parrot.
Like a parrot.
No grammar rules, no thinking, just copy the sound.
That sounds actually fun.
It is fun. That is the point. It does not feel like study.
So listening and speaking at the same time.
Yes. 2 skills, 1 song.
And after slow songs, what?
You move to a slightly faster song.
Like going to the next level.
Exactly. Your ears are stronger now. They can handle more.
What if the fast song is too hard?
Go back 1 step. No rush. The ear will get there.
I like that. No pressure.
Never pressure. Just practice. A little. Every day. Okay. Here is today's tip.
Ready.
Pick 1 slow English song today. Just 1.
One song. That is easy enough.
Listen 3 times. No lyrics. Just your ears.
3 times. No lyrics.
Then try to sing along, even just a little.
Even if I sound terrible.
Especially if you sound terrible. That means you are trying.
Okay, I can do that.
1 song. 3 listens. Sing along. That is enough for today.
Emma, I never thought a song could teach me English.
Every listen counts. Every word you catch is progress.
Even if I only catch 3 words.
3 words today. 5 words next week. That is how it grows.
I am going to try this tonight.
Good. Start slow. Be patient with yourself.
Any song I like?
Any song you enjoy. Enjoyment is the secret ingredient.
I love that.
To everyone listening, you do not need a classroom to grow.
You just need a song and a little time.
Keep going. You are closer than you think. We are proud of you.
See you in the next one.
Practice for 15 minutes today. English Buddy.